Guys, welcome back. I'm back working on the truck and we're going to do an experiment today, which is fixing an engine mount. Let me turn you around and show what's up. So my issue is that this part of the timing cover touches this expansion tank, and I suspect that there is a broken trans or engine mount. Let me go down to the pit. This is the transmission mount, and you can see that it looks pretty bad. Let me grab a screwdriver and do some prying, and you also can see that there is a black point where it always touches. So let me mount you over here somewhere, and I drive a little bit forward and a little bit backwards. As you can see, it wobbles quite a bit, so let me grab some tools and we undo those screws and that bolt over there that goes all the way through, and we try to fix this mount temporarily. I'm just putting this board under the transmission and jack it up a little bit to support it. Just a cheap scissor jack, and that should do. So let me get out to the shop and we clean this up. So there you can see one side is completely torn off and the other side is also pretty much gone. So let me clean this up with some brake clean and a brush, and we try to fix it. So I've cleaned it up with a file, all inside, and with some brake clean. This is the stuff I'm going to use. This is glazing sealant that I have left over from another project. So let's put it in there and give it a try. I will fill this whole thing up with this stuff. This should cure in 1 to 4 hours. So let me fill all the cavities up and I'll bring you back when I'm done. That's now completely filled up. I just smoothen out the surface with the stick, and this is how it looks. I will put this out in the sun and let it dry. It's about 24 hours later. I put a layer of black spray paint on it and it's completely dry. Not the prettiest, but we will see how it works. Looks much stiffer than it was, but I guess it's softer than the polyurethane bushings that you can buy. and people don't recommend them on T3s because they are way too stiff. So maybe this is the solution for a in-between thing. So let's get back out to the truck and put it on, and we will see how it works. The jack is out. Looks pretty good so far. Let me pry on it. It moves a little bit, but not sure how much you can see. I try to mount you over here somewhere with the light pointing on it, and you can see for yourself. So guys, looking at the footage, it looks pretty good. I guess it's way stiffer than it was, and the timing cover doesn't touch anymore. I know it looks like it, but it doesn't, so that's pretty good. And I also think that this could be actually a good solution for those who want to get a little bit stiffer engine mounts or transmission mounts, but not get too expensive by buying the polyurethane bushings. It could be better when I would fill up the rear engine mounts as well, but I don't want to, not yet, because there are some changes coming, but more on that later. It looks like you can fix your engine and transmission mounts with window sealant. This tube costs about 10 bucks, I guess, and one transmission mount is about 60 or 70 euros, the cheapest, and they don't hold. So if you are in trouble, give it a try. There's not much you can lose with an old transmission or engine mount. I have probably 3/4 of the glue left, so I can fix much more mounts. Anyhow, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.